Hello everyone, good evening my dear students. Welcome back in biology classes with Chandrakant sir. Students, I am here in front of you today with a very important topic that is the oogenesis. Student, this topic is related to the human reproduction. Clear? If you remember that in my last video I have explained you about the process of spermatogenesis. Clear? Yani formation of sperm. Now today I am going to explain you the process of formation of ovum. That is called as the oogenesis. Clear? Yani both student, oogenesis and spermatogenesis, these are the part of gametogenesis. Clear? So in case of spermatogenesis, I have told you that it begins at the beginning of the puberty. Clear? But here in case of oogenesis, this process takes place in the ovary of the female. Clear? And the oogenesis, unlike spermatogenesis, begins during the embryonic stage. Student, ये embryonic stage में ही शुरू हो जाता है. The process of oogenesis begins during the embryonic stage. When the fetus is of 20 to 25 weeks, this process begins. Clear, student? So let me explain you in detail. Clear? Student, I have told you that the process of gametogenesis, that is oogenesis and spermatogenesis, it occurs in 3 phases. 3 phase में होता है. You already know that. The first phase is the phase of multiplication. Second phase is the phase of growth. Third phase is the phase of maturation. क्लियर? आसानी से समझने के लिए हम इसको 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड करके पढ़ते हैं. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? सो यू मस्ट बी रिमेम्बरिंग दैट the wall of the ovary is made up of germinal epithelium. Clear, student? So the germ cells or the germinal epithelium, it undergoes repeated mitotic division and it forms numerous cells, and these are called as the oogonia. Clear? So I am just making here, you can see. Suppose that this is the primary germ cell. Clear? This one is the primary germ cell. Clear? Now what happens during the multiplication phase? I am talking about the first phase, that is the multiplication phase. Clear? So during the multiplication phase, this primary germ cell undergoes repeated mitotic division and it forms, you can see here, it forms numerous cells, and these are called as the oogonia. Clear, student? These are called as oogonia. Oogonium is singular, its plural is oogonia. Clear, student? So millions of oogonia are produced. Clear? During the embryonic stage only. Clear, student? The ploidy of oogonia is always 2n. ये सब 2n होती है, डिप्लॉयड होती है स्टूडेंट. क्लियर? So this happens in the first phase, that is called as the, you can say, multiplication phase. This is the multiplication phase. Clear, student? Multiplication phase. Clear? Now some changes takes place in these oogonial cells and they become the primordial oocyte. Student, these become what? Primordial oocyte. अब जितनी भी oogonia है, they undergo certain changes. Clear? And they become the primordial oocyte. This is called as primordial. First of all, we will say primordial oocyte. The ploidy level is 2n. Clear, student? Now what happens? Now in the primordial oocytes, growth takes place. It undergoes the growth phase. Clear, student? It undergoes growth phase. Clear? It enlarges in its size. Clear? This is the second phase, enlarges in its size. takes lots of food material and it is now called as the primary oocyte. Primary oocyte. Clear, student? So millions of primary oocytes there, 6 to 7 millions of primary oocytes are there in each ovary. Clear, student? So what happens to these primary oocytes? The ploidy level, again I am telling you here, this is the 2L. Now it undergoes meiosis. Clear, student? Now it undergoes meiosis. Clear? And it is restricted to the प्रोफेज फर्स्ट, स्पेशली द डिप्लोटीन फेज में ये अरेस्टेड रहता है. क्लियर? इट रिमेन अरेस्टेड एट द डिप्लोटीन स्टेज और यू कैन से प्रोफेज फर्स्ट एट द टाइम ऑफ बर्थ. स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे आप याद रखिएगा, नो oogenesis टेक्स प्लेस, यू कैन से नो फर्दर प्राइमरी oocytes टेक्स प्लेस आफ्टर द बर्थ. बर्थ के बाद कोई भी फर्दर कोई भी प्राइमरी oocyte का फॉर्मेशन नहीं होता है. क्लियर? वो सब पहले ही हो चुका होता है. क्लियर? सो एट द टाइम ऑफ बर्थ, ड्यूरिंग द बर्थ, यू कैन से millions of primary oocytes are there in the ovary of a female. Clear? और सब के सब प्राइमरी oocyte स्टूडेंट आप याद रखिएगा, they remain arrested at which stage? At prophase first, especially the diplotin first. Clear? Of meiosis, diplotin first of meiosis. ये याद रखिएगा. I have written here also. Clear? Meiotic division starts and arrested at diplotin stage. Clear? So primary oocytes it remain arrested at the stage of diplotin. अभी meiosis first complete नहीं होता है स्टूडेंट. Clear? Then what happens after the birth or between the puberty? Clear? So most of the primary follicles are degenerated. Clear? बहुत सारे primary follicles जो होते हैं वो degenerate कर जाते हैं and only 60,000 to 80,000 primary follicles they persist in each ovary. This is very important from board point of view and need point of view. Clear? तो NCERT में it's written 60,000 to 80,000 primary follicles they remains inside the each ovary. Clear, student? Then now what happens? They enter in the next stage on arrival of the puberty. क्लियर? अब प्यूबर्टी की स्टेज जब आती है तो अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप आता है स्टूडेंट. क्लियर? नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस? दिस प्राइमरी oocyte इट अंडरगोज meiosis फर्स्ट. क्लियर? यहाँ पे आप देखोगे इट फॉर्म्स अ बिगर सेल एंड द स्मॉलर सेल. क्लियर? सो नाउ दिस बिगर सेल, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द, यू कैन से, secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte, and this one is called as the first polar body. First polar body. Clear? Multiplication phase में oogonia multiplies involving mitosis cell division. Millions of oogonial cells are formed. The next step is the growth phase where the oogonium it enlarges in its size, or you can say the primordial oocytes enlarges in its size. Clear? And it is now termed as primary oocytes which undergoes meiosis division. Maturation division का first division start होता है meiosis first and it remain arrested at prophase first, or you can say at the diplotin of the prophase first. Clear, student? This happens in growth phase. Now this is the maturation phase. Clear? Now during the maturation phase, when meiosis first is completed, here meiosis first, when it gets completed, clear, just prior to ovulation. Clear, student? Just prior to ovulation the meiosis first is completed. ये आप याद रखिएगा. क्लियर? जब प्यूबर्टी की एज होती है, स्टार्ट हो जाती है, व्हेन मेंस्ट्रुएशन स्टार्ट इन केस ऑफ फीमेल, सो एवरी मंथ व्हाट हैपेंस, अप्रॉक्स 20 प्राइमरी oocytes they become active. क्लियर? approx 20, clear, 20 to 25 primary oocytes, they become active, they undergo the meiosis first, clear. So you can say only one gets matured and others are degenerated. ऐसे तो खूब सारी follicles होती हैं, but only one is, you can say, become functional, others are degenerated. 20-25 में से केवल एक को मौका मिलता है आगे ग्रो करने का, others जो they are degenerated, clear. So when first meiosis takes place, then what happens? A bigger cell called as the secondary oocyte. Now here its ploidy is end, clear. यहाँ पे रिडक्शन डिवीजन हो चुका होता है स्टूडेंट, ये आपको याद रखना है, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस. एंड a smaller cell called as the first polar body, clear. At this stage you can say ovulation takes place. यानी ओवरी से जब ओवम बाहर निकलता है स्टूडेंट, तो वो किस स्टेज में होता है? यू कैन से द सेकेंडरी oocyte के स्टेज में होता है, क्लियर. और वहाँ भी अभी स्टूडेंट पूरा जो है डिवीजन कंप्लीट नहीं होता है. इट ऑल्सो अंडरगोज व्हाट? इट ऑल्सो अंडरगोज द meiosis second, clear, and that remain restricted to the, you can say, metaphase second, clear. secondary oocyte में भी आप देखोगे second meiosis it starts but remain arrested at which stage? metaphase second stage पे वो arrested रहता है, clear. and now this secondary oocyte, it is picked up by the fimbriae of the fallopian tube or the oviduct. It is sucked by the you can say fimbriae and it reaches to the oviduct, clear. ampulla region में जाके it remains, you can say it remains as a dormant, clear. वो चुपचाप पड़ा रहता है, clear. and it remains, you can say, at the stage of metaphase second, clear. अब वो डिवीजन स्टूडेंट कब कंप्लीट होगा? सेकेंड मैचुरेशन डिवीजन कब कंप्लीट होगा? जब कोई स्पर्म उसको टच करता है, क्लियर. यानी सेकेंडरी oocytes, क्लियर, व्हेन a sperm touches the secondary oocyte, immediately it undergoes the second maturation division, or you can say the second maturation division gets completed, clear. and this secondary oocyte is, it gets converted into a mature ovum, clear. mature ovum में convert हो जाता है, clear. कब? जब कोई sperm इसको touch करता है तब. so at the same time you can say first polar body it remains as such, it degenerates in due courses of time. इसका कोई विशेष काम नहीं होता है, clear student. now here when second maturation division is completed, again one small and one big cell is formed. The smaller is called as the second polar body. This is called as the second polar body, clear. and this one is called as the ovum. This is called as the ovum, clear. so this is the process of, you can say, oogenesis is in case of female, clear. let me explain once in brief, clear student. so the process of oogenesis, it is completed in 3 steps. First is the multiplication phase. In this phase, primary germ cells is divides and redivides, clear, and give rise to millions of oogonial cells, or you can say the oogonia, clear student. and the process of oogenesis begins during the embryonic stage, clear, in case of female child. ठीक. now what happens? you can say now these oogonia, they are converted into primordial oocytes, clear. now these are converted into primordial oocytes, which very soon grows, gets lots of food material, enlarges in its size, and is now termed as the primary oocyte. the ploidy is 2n. this happens in case of growth phase. student ये growth phase में होता है, clear. यानी at the time of birth, you can say millions of primary oocytes are there in each ovary, clear. so from you can say between the birth and the puberty, arrival of the puberty, millions of, you can say, or thousands of primary oocytes, they are degenerated. only few remains, you can say, in active form, you can say, clear. they remain alive. 60,000 to 80,000 क्या primary oocytes, they persist in each ovary, they remain alive. Others are degenerated. धीरे धीरे बहुत सारी फॉलिकल्स जो होती है वो डीजनरेट कर जाती है. क्लियर. बहुत सारे प्राइमरी oocyte डीजनरेट कर जाती है. 60 to 80 primary oocytes, they persist in each ovary and they further grow and mature. Clear. So what happens in next step? You can see now the primary oocytes, it undergoes the maturation division. Clear. And at the end of meiosis first, two cells are formed. One is smaller and the second is the bigger. The smaller is called as the first polar body and the second one is, the bigger one is called as the secondary oocytes. Clear. Secondary oocyte. Clear student. Now further secondary oocyte undergoes what? The second maturation division and it gives rise to the ovum. Clear. It gives rise to ovum and the second polar body. In some books it is also written that this first polar body also undergoes division and again it forms the two more polar body. Clear students. So total 3 at the maturity, total 3 polar bodies these are formed. Clear. तो कभी कभी पूछता है कि oogenesis में कितने पोलर बॉडी बनते हैं, तो यू कैन से द 3 पोलर बॉडीज आर फॉर्म्ड. क्लियर स्टूडेंट. अब यहाँ पे मैं आपको कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें बताऊंगा. यू हैव टू नो सम इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक बिकॉज दिस इज कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, समवन कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. ठीक है, समवॉट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. सो हियर यू हैव टू फोकस. वंस अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, द प्राइमरी oocytes, they undergo meiosis first and prophase first में they remain arrested. Clear. और डिप्लोटीन और प्रोफेज फर्स्ट के स्टेज में वो अरेस्टेड रहते हैं. क्लियर. टिल द प्यूबर्टी बिगिंस, जब तक प्यूबर्टी बिगिन नहीं हो जाती तब तक ये यू कैन से प्रोफेज फर्स्ट के स्टेज में वो अरेस्टेड रहते हैं. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम कॉम्पिटिशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. क्लियर. एंड as the puberty begins, clear, 20 to 25 primary oocytes they get matured. Clear. 20 to 25 primary oocytes, you can say they become very active. Clear. And they further they develop. तो अब क्या होता है, जैसे प्यूबर्टी शुरू होती है 20 से 25 प्राइमरी oocytes एक्टिव हो जाते हैं and they undergo further development. And then what happens, जब menstrual cycle चलती है, स्टार्ट होती है, so now the first maturation division gets completed. First maturation division gets completed just before the ovulation. Ovulation, menstrual cycle पढ़ोगे तो ovulation से थोड़ा सा पहले first maturation division complete होता है and secondary oocyte is formed. Clear student. Now this secondary oocyte again it undergoes the division, but that division remain arrested till the metaphase second. Clear. यहाँ पे तो यहाँ पे आप देखोगे प्रोफेज फर्स्ट में अरेस्टेड रहता है प्यूबर्टी तक. क्लियर. अब जब प्यूबर्टी की एज शुरू हो जाती है उसके बाद इसका फर्दर डेवलपमेंट होता है. क्लियर. जो प्राइमरी oocytes एक्टिव होती है उसमें फर्स्ट मैचुरेशन डिवीजन कंप्लीट होता है. क्लियर. और फिर सेकंड मैचुरेशन डिवीजन शुरू होता है. वो भी सेकंड मैचुरेशन डिवीजन में वो भी मेटाफेज सेकंड पे क्या होता है स्टूडेंट, अरेस्टेड रहता है. क्लियर. और उस स्टेज में एट मेटाफेज सेकंड में सेकेंडरी oocyte इट रीचेस टू द ये इमेच्योर होती है सेकेंडरी oocyte. दिस इज द इमेच्योर ओवम. क्लियर. इट रीचेस टू द ओविडक्ट. क्लियर. वहां पे एम्पुलर रीजन में रहता है. और वो कब सेकंड मैचुरेशन डिवीजन गेट्स कंप्लीटेड व्हेन स्पर्म कम्स इन कांटेक्ट विद ओवम. जब स्पर्म ओवम के कांटेक्ट में आता है तो सेकंड मैचुरेशन डिवीजन वहां पे कंप्लीट होता है. क्लियर. और तब जाके मैच्योर ओवम बनता है एंड इमीडिएटली इट इज फर्टिलाइज्ड टू फॉर्म द जाइगोट. क्लियर स्टूडेंट. इन केस ऑफ फेलियर ऑफ द फर्टिलाइजेशन तो ये मैच्योर ओवम नहीं रहता, वो सेकेंडरी oocyte जो मेटाफेज स्टेज तक है उसी स्टेज में वो डीजनरेट कर जाएगी. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. क्लियर. secondary oocyte it remains at metaphase second stage. Clear. And in case of failure of fertilization it gets degenerated. Clear student. तो यहाँ पे ये चीजें जानना आपको बहुत जरूरी था. Clear. So this is the process of you can say oogenesis. Multiplication phase, growth phase, maturation phase. Clear student? These are the three important phases. Clear? यहाँ पे जो मैंने आपको बताया था कि प्राइमरी oocyte remain arrested at prophase first stage at the time of birth, just before the, you can say, beginning of the puberty, the first maturation division gets completed. Clear? फिर सेकेंडरी oocyte के बारे में you have to know it remain arrested at metaphase stage, metaphase second stage में arrested रहता है. Clear student? वहाँ पे आप देखोगे वो arrested रहता है, and in that stage, clear, it reaches to the secondary oocyte reaches to the ampulla of the oviduct. Clear? And it waits for the sperm. If it gets, you can say, it comes in contact with the sperm, the second maturation division gets completed and the mature ovum is formed, which is immediately converted into the zygote after the fertilization. Clear student? So this is all about the, you can say, the process of oogenesis. Clear? Now let me tell you about the primary, secondary and tertiary follicles. Clear student? So about the primary follicle क्या होता है student? बहुत simple है. You have to know primary follicles यानी when primary oocyte, this is the primary oocyte, when this primary oocyte is surrounded by granulosa cells. These are the cells, student, which provide nutrition. Granulosa cells, these provide nutrition to the developing, you can say, follicle. So this is the primary follicle. This is called as the primary follicles. Clear? Primary follicle. क्या क्या होता है इसमें? प्राइमरी फॉलिकल में अ सिंगल ग्रेन्युलोसा लेयर, ये ग्रेन्युलोसा है, ग्रेन्युलोसा cells, and this is the primary oocyte. Clear? Then it grows further, and it gets converted into secondary follicle. Secondary follicle में क्या होता है student? You can say this primary oocyte, it further grows and gets surrounded by some more granulosa cells. यानी these granulosa cells, they further, you can say, ये और divide करती हैं, they increase in their number. Clear? यानी more granulosa cells are formed and a new theca is formed. Clear? New theca is formed. Clear? So this is the difference. Primary oocyte and one layer, single layer of granulosa cells, they form the primary follicle. Here more granulosa layer is there, granulosa cells, and you can say one theca is there, or here primary oocyte. So this is the secondary follicle. Clear student? अब आगे क्या होता है? This structure is called as secondary follicle. This is the secondary follicle. Clear? अब आगे आप देखोगे all these stages we can see in the ovary at the time of follicular phase. menstrual cycle में पढ़ाऊंगा आपको. अब देखोगे student, follicular phase जो second stage होती है, वहाँ पे इस तरह से development होता है. Clear? So board examination में ये difference पूछता है कि what is the difference between primary, you can say, follicle and the secondary follicle. So this is the primary follicle, this one is the secondary follicle. Now tertiary follicle में आप देख सकते हो, you can easily see tertiary follicle में मैं डायरेक्ट बना के दिखाता हूँ. दिस इज द प्राइमरी oocyte. क्लियर? फिर यहाँ पे आप देखोगे एक जोना पेलुसिडा क्लियर बनती है. मोर ग्रेनुलोसा सेल्स आर देयर, खूब सारी ग्रेनुलोसा सेल्स आर देयर, एंड द कैविटी डेवलप्स. It's very important one. You can see the cavity. This is called as the antrum. Clear? And more theca cells are formed. आप देखोगे बाहर and these are the granulosa cells. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे these are the granulosa cells. ये सब granulosa cells. You can see. Clear? All these are the granulosa cells. Clear? And the theca, this is theca externa. Theca externa. And this is the theca interna. Theca interna. Clear? Then these are the granulosa cells. Granulosa cells. Clear? So here student you have to know the granulosa cell में ही cavity का formation होता है. Clear? Granulosa cells they give rise to the small cavity which gets fused and form a bigger cavity, and this is called as the antrum. This one is called as the antrum. This is the fluid filled cavity. Clear? And here is the, you can say, the primary oocyte. Clear? Now this primary oocyte, it gets converted into what? Secondary oocyte. Clear? At the time of ovulation. Clear? Just prior to ovulation it gets converted into secondary oocyte. Clear student? ये बहुत important बात है. Clear? तो उसके बाद फिर finally it is converted into what? Graphian follicle, which is, you can say, this is the mature follicle. उसके बाद ये फिर Graphian follicle बना देता है. Clear? Which is the Graphian follicle is the mature follicle. Clear? Graphian follicle is the, you can say, mature follicle. Clear? उसमें क्या होता है? ये antrum और बड़ा हो जाता है. It enlarges in its size. Clear? So this is the difference between primary, secondary and tertiary follicle student. Clear? So at the time of description of menstrual cycle, I will tell you some more interesting thing regarding this oogenesis and primary, secondary and tertiary follicles. Clear student? Till then you watch this video, enjoy this video. Clear? And in case of any doubt you can call me, you can contact me. Thank you very much.